let's start with something that's not Matchbox, not Johnny Lightning, not Hot Wheels, not M2, Greenlight. I found a few Ertles. Yep, step-side pickup truck, the old Mountain Dew racer, and the Fall Guy truck. I do have a couple of the Fall Guy trucks because I have all my TV and movie cars together, but that's an extra one. Then we got a couple of Tomicas, some of the old ones, the old tow truck, and the Tomica taxi cab. I've got a few play arts, which are not really to scale. Look at that. I mean, this seems too big, this seems too small, but there's a couple of play arts. Of course, they're not the best. Let's see, what should we go to now? Maybe the Yatmings. I've got quite a few of the Yatming cars in decent shape too. Look at that, huh? It's pretty much mint is what that is. More Yatming with the, appears to have an opening door. All on a spring. Well, I don't have the fingernails to do that at this point. Got a couple of vans. Once again, Yatming vans. I'm a highway star. Saw Glenn Hughes not long ago, actually. Played right here in Costa Rica. Still looks good, still sounds good. And continue with the Yatming. Good shape. Another one. And then actually all these Yatmings are in pretty good shape. Beautiful bases on those, huh? All right, let's finish her up with some Corgi Juniors. I used to collect these when I was a youngster. Boy, they look pretty believable, don't they? And sort of shied away from collecting them. Apparently, I like the Superman van that Corgi put out, since I do have 3 of them. It was a hit. It was a hit. This one I've always liked. It's a wigwam van camper. It's always just, you know, kind of different. Once again, these are all Corgi Juniors, Corgis. The Coke truck. That's wearing off nicely. I should put a new decal on there. The old Renault, or the Reliant, sorry. Saw a TV show on that. These things are not too stable when they go around corners. They kind of go like that. Nice looking tow truck there. Oh, by the way, since I have Coke, I might as well get Pepsi. Pepsi's in a bit better shape than the Coke, though. Fireball. Fireball to me is like tequila. I had it once. I'm not having it again. Although this was done way before Fireball was invented. So. Detroit Tigers, used to be a fan of them. Kind of hard to be a fan when they lose so much. Another Corgi Junior. This is actually a whiz wheel, Porsche. And finally, with one of my faves, actually, the Volkswagen Police vehicle by Corgi. And that's a quick look at some of the stuff I got from Ertl, Corgi, Play Art, Tomica, and Yatming. Not a lot. I probably have some more. I'll have to look around, but that's what I found. There's some kind of cool stuff. I like this Pepsi truck, and I like some of the other ones like this that are in very, very good condition. So, yeah, there's a few nice ones. Once again, as I said, I like that as well. So that's a quick look at them.